Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove an Audi A4 door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a T30 Torx bit. Begin by gently prying off the long decorative trim piece, often made of aluminum, using a plastic trim tool to prevent damage. This trim is held by 4 clips and a hook. Next, carefully remove the window switch, disconnecting its electrical connector. With the trim removed, you will find 4 Phillips head screws along the top edge. Remove these. Then, gently pry out the small oval plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. This will expose 2 more Phillips head screws that need to be unscrewed. Finally, look for 1 additional Phillips screw positioned at the very bottom center of the door panel and remove it. Now that all screws are out, carefully pull the door panel outwards from its bottom and side edges to release the numerous plastic retaining clips. Once the clips are free, lift the entire panel straight up about 20 centimeters to clear the window channel. Reach behind the panel to disconnect the door handle cable, unhooking it from its lever. Then, unplug the electrical harnesses for the speaker and the main wiring loom, noting any safety clips. Before completely removing the panel, double-check that all electrical connectors, including those for the puddle light or mirror switch, are fully detached. Once everything is free, carefully move the door panel to a safe place. Reinstallation is simply the reverse process. Align the top edge first, then press the clips back into place. It is wise to have a few spare door panel clips on hand, as they can sometimes break during removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.